Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Alibaba for a clothing brand. Starting a clothing brand and thinking of using Alibaba? Here's the right way to do it. Alibaba isn't like Amazon where you simply buy finished products. Instead, you're working directly with manufacturers to create products for your own brand. When searching, use keywords like custom, OEM, or private label, followed by the item you want, such as hoodies, t-shirts, or sweatpants. This helps you find actual factories instead of regular resellers. Once you find products that look promising, don't just place an order immediately. Send inquiries to multiple suppliers and communicate exactly what you need. You can attach your logo, provide your design, specify the material you want, and tell them your target quantity. Ask important questions such as the price per piece, minimum order quantity, production time, and sample cost. It's a good idea to contact at least 5 to 10 suppliers instead of relying on just one. Also, never skip ordering samples before committing to a larger purchase. Many beginners make the mistake of trusting product photos, choosing the cheapest supplier, or ordering too much inventory too soon. Alibaba can be a powerful tool for building a clothing brand, but it works best when you approach it like a business partnership rather than an online shopping experience. Taking the time to compare suppliers and test samples can save you a lot of money and headaches later on. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.